Previously on Arctic Jeff. Today we have Murray on the BMW 850 GSA, Duncan on the KTM 890 Adventure R, and myself on the KLR 650C, and we're doing the new Ride the Highlands Gravel Crusher Loop. We start this gravel ride close to home in Tamworth, Ontario. From here we head west towards Marmora, which is our first pit stop of the day.
Oh, it was telling us to take that road back there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we gotta turn around. I don't know, man. I feel like, because I switched to the bicycle mode, and around with us. But this is really wide. I feel like maybe it's used as a road?
Maybe.
Oh, there's a dog walking here. Clear on the left, clear on the right.
That's a first.
For Highway 7?
Yeah.
On a holiday Monday. What's going on? Apparently it's right here. Miners. Oh, there it is. Oh.
Intercom failed. Try again later.
There we go.
Yeah.
All right. Might be quicker just to drive up the sidewalk.
That's what Duncan said.
We saddled back up after a delicious breakfast at Miner's Restaurant, only to find the holiday traffic on Highway 7 was starting to pile up. I grabbed a quick splash of gas, and we were back on the trail.
Oh, okay, this is my route.
Well, it says turn here.
Okay.
We could go straight, but then it's
Oh, this seems more like gravel. So. I've been on this road before, though.
Have you really?
Yep.
Oh, for frig's sakes, it's having us turn onto the rail bed. That's what it's doing. Oh well. It really wants us to take this rail bed, Murray. Sorry.
I better not get my boots wet.
It looks smaller than before.
Yes, that's true.
Oh yeah, it's shallow over here. Really shallow.
I'm wet, though.
What?
My pant legs aren't covering my boots. They're wet, too.
Ah. Summer maintenance only. Oh boy. You might be wishing you brought the good boots. Can you see Duncan in front of you?
Yep.
Okay. couple dead raccoons there.
Sure they're not just napping?
It's a surprise attack.
Yeah.
You go to see them, they jump up, go for the jugular. This part here kind of reminds me of the road we went on north of Griffith.
Yeah.
There's that Tweed Gilmore Loop sign. That's for the ATVs.
Yeah, well, this is snowmobile trail in the wintertime.
This road here?
Yep.
Oh yeah, E101. Wow. Jeez, I would have figured this would be maintained in the winter because you got houses here and stuff.
It is for a little bit, then it becomes unmaintained. Oh yeah, so the sled trail goes that way.
Right.
Yeah, we were supposed to go that way.
Oh shit, yeah. That's weird. Maybe doesn't look too bad from here.
Yeah, so in the wintertime, this is not a road.
Yeah, adventure bikes. G'day. You okay back there?
Yep.
Okay.
You'll hear me if I'm not.
Yeah, the old F-bombs have been quiet on this one.
I've been trying to, keep them down so you don't have to hit that button as much.
I was thinking it was just because the train's been a little tamer today.
Yeah, that too. Duncan's going to be upset he missed this.
Yeah, this is a good one. To the right. You alright? Oh. You made your line choice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I went to the left around that one big puddle.
Oh, the one where I said I went to the right?
Yeah. Well, a lot of static I didn't hear.
Oh, sorry. I stopped. I'm waiting for you.
I'm here.
You can tell these puddles were a lot bigger earlier, eh?
Yeah.
Like we wouldn't be skirting them now. We'd be going right through them.
Yeah. And then you'd hear a lot of F-bombs.
Yeah. Yes.
I'm surprised this is on their crushing gravel route.
Yeah. But it's I see. Yeah, and like it's rather tame for.
Yeah. Well, it is today, but
yeah,
like you said, these water holes have been bigger.
Oh yeah. Like this part of O'Donnell Road is, I'd take any day over the part that goes to the Hydroline.
Oh yeah. Got sandy.
There's a little bit sandy there. There's some bigger puddles in the woods up here. I'm staying to the right, but I think you can go left too.
Okay.
Four-wheeler's coming. I gave him the signal. Yeah, there's our turn there.
Yeah.
That looks rockier.
Feels like it's been graded recently.
I think it's when the four-wheeler's going sideways around the corner.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe that's it. She's loose.
Oh, there he is. Well, I'm not going to tell you you missed probably the best road of the loop.
It occurred to me that O'Donnell would have been nice, but I know where it is, so.
It's like a trail, but without all the bad rocks. So.
That's got a few.
Yeah. All right.
You guys need a break or anything?
I don't. Do you need a break?
Nope, I'm good.
I think we're good. Did you get gas? Okay.
I got gas. I'm ready to go.
I'm in third gear.
Yeah, that'll be a hard start for you.
Yeah. I mean, it was trying, but it let me know I was in the wrong gear. Almost looks like it becomes fire.
Yeah, maybe that. Ooh, hard right.
And a left.
Mm-hmm.